Hi, this is Andy Crestodina from Orbit Media Studios. Since January 1st of 2000, I have been a B2B lead gen marketer. And I've been quite successful. I've built a business and generated lots of leads. And then things changed and I've had to adapt and learn quickly to get the biggest benefit I can and figure out how to use all the modern tools, including generative AI. So I've been teaching it after having done millions of experiments and lots of testing and lots of publishing and recording and giving presentations everywhere. And I'm thrilled to be back at Experience Inbound to share with you the best that I've learned. There's a bit of time between now and then, so my presentation will probably change completely, which is fine because it's a fast-moving, dynamic category that we're all in. But one thing has not changed, which is hopefully our obsession with quality, empathy, and connecting with that right audience, in the right topic, in the right format, at the right time. That's how leads are born. So I'm going to share with you my favorite and most effective AI methods to produce content that gets better results through digital for any category, any business, any B2B marketer. There are so many interesting things that are possible, and probably none of the things I hope to teach are things that you've already heard or these are not the short, simple prompts. In many ways, they don't have shortcuts. I'm going to show you more comprehensive ways to create deeper quality and more richer experiences through content for your audience, to be memorable, to be top of mind, and to be there when they need you. That's the job. Okay, that's it. That's what this tiny video is about, and that's why I'm going to be in both Milwaukee and Green Bay in May with Stream, Experience Inbound. Look at the list. There's all the greats, tons of, it's going to be lots of old friends and true, legit pros will be there. Join me. Hope to see you then.